In this video, I'll explain the concepts of percentage, that is change in percentage. Sometimes we get confused in that concepts, but in this video, I will try to clear as much as I can. So without any further ado, let's get started. Question was asked in the year 2013, and the question is that there is a table and we have to find of these categories which of the two registered a same change. That means that there is a change from the year 2010 to 2011 and we need to find whose change is same. Not exactly whose change is same, but care about the categories which have registered by same percentage. We can't just subtract the value of 2011 and 2010 and we write the answers. We need to find the percentage, and for that we should know the concepts about percentage change. And basically the formula of percentage change is new value minus old value, and in the denominator what shall we write here? We should always write old value. I will write it in capitals because you should remember this. You cannot write new value here. This is must. You should always write old value. The reason being is we are checking the change with respect to old value. That means how much a new value has grown or has come down. And if this percentage change is positive, that means that this new value is greater than old value. Only in that case, this percentage change can be positive. That means overall there is an increase. And if the percentage change is negative, then just think that how the negative value can come here. It is possible only when old value is greater than new value, because the negative number will be greater. That means that there is a reduction. We can also write this formula as old value minus new value. Nothing will be changed, but we should always know that if it is positive, then which is greater? If it is negative, then which is greater? Because here, if the value is positive or if the value is negative, you should know that what is bigger. In this case, if percentage change is positive, that means old is greater than new, and if old is greater than new, the previous value was higher and it is reduced. In case of negative, the new value is greater than old, and since the new value is greater, that means it has increased. See, there is a difference in these two equations. We can use whatever equations we need, but we should always keep in mind that where a positive and where a negative will come. No need to memorize this, because you can see if a value is positive, then which is higher and which is smaller. Now coming to the question, we will mark 1 as raw material. I will write raw and the formula. The old one, first I will use the first formula, that is new value minus old value, and we have to always divide by old, not new. Keep in mind that old is 5200, don't take it as 6540. The answer of this is 0.2, or in percentage we can write it as 20%. We'll consider the second one as power and fuel. Now I will take the second formula because we should know that what we are using. Old minus new divided by old minus new by old. Its value is 0.35 and the percentage will be 35, but it is negative. Why it is negative? Because the higher number is having negative coefficient and the lower number is having positive. That means in this case we will have minus 35, and hence it is minus. We can consider that new value is greater than old, hence, and the value has increased by 35%. No need to mention minus or positive. We can always write increase or decrease because that's more convenient. Similarly, you can calculate for all other terms. I will not calculate because it will simply make this video longer, and you know the steps for those. I will directly write the values for these. Third one will be salary. It has increased by 40%. Fourth one is plant and machinery. It has increased by 25%. Similarly, fifth one is ad. I will write ad because that's more convenient. It has increased by 30%. Sixth one is research and development, and that has increased by 20%. And the question was actually basically which two categories have increased by same percentage. And our calculation leads us that raw material and research and development has increased by a massive 20%. In that case, our answer should be raw material and research and development. D. If you find this video useful, please click the like button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and also subscribe this channel to get more concepts like this one.